side hustle secret. Earn money online without investment. Hey everyone, what if I told you there's a super easy way to snag an extra $25 every single day completely free? No investment needed, just your time and a smartphone. Imagine an extra $750 hitting your bank account each month from a simple side hustle. That's like a whole new paycheck. This is the only earning app that pays worldwide, including local payment methods. Actually, they pay through Bitcoin, PayPal, gift cards, bank transfers, and other local payment methods, like mobile money in some countries. This isn't some complicated scheme. One of its main selling points is instant payment. After you finish a task, you receive your reward immediately.
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online, okay? We share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle, right? We equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry, okay? Just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos, all right? These videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online, okay? And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about this app, from its minimum withdrawal, how to sign up, payment methods, and much more. In this video, I'm talking about surveytime.io. It's an awesome platform where you get paid instantly for sharing your opinions. Seriously, you complete a survey and boom, money in your account. It's that straightforward. To begin, go over to surveytime.io and sign up. Then make sure to link your account details. They pay through Bitcoin, PayPal, gift cards, bank transfers, and mobile money in some countries. It's perfect for students, job seekers, or anyone looking to boost their income without any upfront cost. Give surveytime.io a try. You could be earning your first $25 today.